This hole right here. Got a bolt broken off in there. And I don't know if I'll be able to get it out.
Everybody get low, 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 low.
It's a beautiful day to go cruising. Well, we ain't going nowhere. So I was preparing for the weekend. I've been having, ever since I, redid the chrome accessories on the engine, I've been having a small oil leak that was coming from the back of the valve cover. I said, oh, it probably just needs to be tightened because, I didn't get a chance to really get in there and tighten it down. I think I was really excited to get out. So I was like, you know what, let me go through. I'm gonna make sure, everything is tightened, because I did, get everything tight, and then I drove it, and I guess after you drive it, you probably wanna tighten it again, but not too tight. And that's my problem. I go to wrenching on stuff and then I just go too hard. And what I end up doing was I end up breaking a bolt inside of the valve cover bolt hole.
You stupid.
So I ain't riding today. I'm trying to figure out how to get it out. So I'm getting ready to go to YouTube University. That's what I always do. I go look on YouTube and I try and figure out how to get this thing out. So I know y'all used to me, doing lowrider content. This is the lowrider content. Y'all gonna get this this video. Go on an adventure with me. Let's see if I can get this boat out.
Moonroof open, catch me on the freeway floating. I'm in the slow lane, just coasting. You can see me rolling. Pull up to the stoplight, knowing the sunshine got your paint glowing. Gotta hate a nigga hoping. We ain't pulling up to the function, but if it's really jumping, we go.
All right, we're back. So here goes nothing.
Yeah, I'm really outside. No, I'm really outside. Really, really, really outside. Ain't no other way to shine. Yeah, I like to dip when I glide. I hear another slip, then I slide. Nigga, who finna ride? I'ma catch a vibe with my guys and pull up with my lady on the side. Hit the switch, I'm alive. A feeling that I really can't describe. It's Sunday, let the sun shine every time. I'ma pull up and put it down. Every single time I come around, I'ma pull up and put it down. Every single time I come around. I'ma pull up and put it down. Every single time I come around, I'ma pull up and put it down. Every single time I come around.
I don't think this gonna work. Stay positive. Stay positive. Let's figure it out.
Look, I stayed down till I came up. I kept it real with the people who never changed up. I made a deal with myself, don't change your lane up.
I truly hope this helps somebody. You probably, you might be looking at my videos. For those of you who are mechanically inclined, you might be looking at some of my videos and think like, oh, look, he's doing that wrong. I don't know, right? I'm just trying stuff. And oftentimes, you're not gonna always have somebody there to tell you this is what you need to do. This is how you got to do it. So, that's the beauty of the internet now. You could look stuff up, figure it out. So between YouTube, Google, and my mind, I feel like I could do it. So I did it, and this is for all of you dudes out there that's trying to do stuff on your own, and then you do stuff like this. You break. Calm down. It ain't the end of the world. There's been plenty of people that broke stuff before you. That's what I told myself. And just did some research, figured out a way to get it. Got it. So, hey man, it's your man Sunday, aka Big Domingo. Signing out. Appreciate y'all.